Hi, friends, why do you need keywords? How do you find them? How do you use them for SEO? To answer all these questions, today here I am Rahul, your host from BioRev Digital. But before we get started, please do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to BioRev Digital channel to not miss a video on digital marketing here at BioRev Digital. So let's end the wait and let's get started. Keyword optimization means that researching for the right keywords and placing them in such a way in your content that it makes your content rank higher in the Google search. We've already discussed this in our Everything About Keywords blog in previous part. To help you understand the keyword optimization process and how you can do the best for your SEO, we have broken this in 3 different modules. Why do we need keywords? How do I find the keywords? And where to put the keywords in SEO? Come, let's unlock them. Why do we need keywords? Friends, please understand that to win the battle called SEO, keyword is your most powerful weapon. A right set of keywords helps you build the right SEO strategy, which in turn helps your content to rank higher in Google search. So we see that keyword is the deciding factor for your SEO rankings. Yes, and to be very much particular about your keyword strategy, you must be aware of the search intent. Search intent? Yes, friends. Search intent is the intent with which your target audience is coming on search engine and searching for the content. If you align your keyword research strategy with the search intent of your target audience, then believe you me, you have won 75% of the battle. You just have to find the right keywords, then place them in the appropriate areas in your content, and bingo, you are good to go. So friends, in other words, keywords are those milestones which help the Google crawler find, locate, and rank your content in the search engine. So you understand now that how important is the selection of the right keywords for your content for your web page. So now the question comes is how to find the right keywords for your SEO. There are millions of ideas floating around in the internet. You have to just collect all of them in a single place. No, it is not that simple. After you collect all the ideas, you have to identify which keywords suit the most as per your content. You have to first identify what is the search intent of your target users, and then you can judge what they are looking for on the internet to find content which is relevant to your service, your business, or your content. Once you do that, you are clear with the search volume and the search difficulty of a particular keyword. You just have to go ahead, sort them, and use them as your primary and secondary keywords in the content that you are going to present to the world. Friends, remember one thing. If you are getting good traffic but not sales, then the problem is not with the keywords. The problem is with the content. So how to use keywords in SEO? It's pretty simple. When Google crawls for your content, it actually looks for the keywords that are present and in what context. So it is not only important to place the keywords in your content, but you also have to take care of the context in which the keywords are being used. So apart from the context of the keywords, the placement of the keywords is also very important. We need to ensure proper placement of the keywords in few important areas to rank the content higher in Google search. And what are these important areas where the keyword should be placed mandatorily? SEO title, meta description, headings, and introductory part of the blog or the content. So the bottom line is, if you have placed the right set of keywords in your content, you will be able to bring more traffic to your blog. Yes, you will. You will rank higher with the help of organic searches in search engines like Google. So in total, we see that we have to find the right keywords, we have to sort them out and place them in the right places, and there are few important places where we need not miss putting the keywords. So friends, I'm sure you have been able to derive some value out of this video. Please like the video and share it, and do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to Buyer of Digital channel to never miss a video on digital marketing here on Buyer of Digital. See you soon friends. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned to Buyer of Digital.